This wonderful coat was made for Mildred Glenn Pitcairn. It was sewn by Hannah Odner Edelman, who was Mildred's favorite seamstress, and many of the pieces in her collection were made by Mrs. Edelman. It's silk velvet, lined in silk, and trimmed in mink fur. There's little thread and hole marks around the sleeves which indicate that perhaps the mink trim was once around the sleeves as well. The cocoon shape of it and the wonderful drape is emblematic of the late Edwardian period moving into the 1920s. Central to this coat is the silver buckle here, made by Georg Jenson, a famous jeweler from Denmark. The dating on the back, or the markings on the back, indicate that it was from around 1915 or a little bit later. Another thing that helps us date this coat to around 1918 is the fact that Raymond gifted his wife with a pin that's very similar to the center of the buckle. And the pin was given to Mildred on the occasion of the birth of their son, Michael, in 1918. The color is quite striking. We call this chartreuse. That term chartreuse for this color was first used in the early 1880s, and it was named after a French liqueur that was very popular in the 18th century of that same color.